in our last video, we're able to learn how to create a simple logo using the tool Canva. Continuation pa rin po ng ating week 1 with Lazada under the topic brand identity. Kung hindi nyo pa po napapanood yung last 2 videos sa ating Lazada Seller Beginner's Guide series, please do dahil nandun po yung explanation natin kung ano nga ba ang brand identity. Pero sa mga hindi pa po nakakapanood and you stumbled this video, brand identity po is what makes your shop instantly recognizable to your customers. And when we say brand identity, this is all about your logos, banners, the color of your store, and typography. Yung mga ginagamit na font style, mga font type, yun po yung typography. So natakil na natin no, sa ating last video na pag-usapan natin yung color, yung typography, and we are also able to learn kung paano nga ba gumawa ng store logo. So today, we're going to learn how to create our store banners using the same free tool, Canva. So if you want to learn how, please stay tuned. Hello everyone, yung Mama Betcha here and welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how you can be successful in your online selling, I give tips, best practices, tutorials, and other interesting things in my channel. So please consider subscribing and click the bell notification to see my newly posted videos. Before we move on to our tutorial today, I would like to thank everyone for supporting our channel, especially itong Lazada Seller Beginner's Guide series. Wala pa po tayo sa kalahati ng modules na ginawa ko para sa inyo. So please continue clicking that thumbs up button so I'd know if this series I created is valuable for you. So hindi ko na patatagalin no, ang ating tutorial today, and I believe this video will be shorter compared sa ating mga naunang videos because ang gagawin lamang naman natin today is tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gumawa ng store banners and paano siya i-upload later sa Lazada Seller Center. So let's head on to our screen. I'm about to share to you the Canva website and also yung Lazada Seller Center na kung saan doon natin i-upload yung gagawin natin na store banners. Okay, so kung nakikita nyo sa ating screen, no, eto na naman po ulit yung page na gagamitin natin, yung canva.com, yung free tool na kung saan pwedeng-pwede natin gamitin for free sa pag-decorate ng ating store design sa Lazada. And if you notice, we actually created our store logo using the same tool kung nakikita nyo dito. So anything that you designed, yung mga na-final nyo na, ay mag-automatic save po yan dito under your store or your designs. Okay? So, again, the first thing that you need to do bago tayo gumawa ng banners is of course, we need to know kung ano nga ba yung pixel or yung requirement na pwedeng i-upload sa ating Lazada store. So same process, just like the same process that we did nung store logo, no? All you need to do is go to your Lazada Seller Center. So let me show you how. Make sure that you logged in already to your Lazada Seller Center and then puntahan po natin yung store decoration uli. Okay, so when we click on store decoration, you'll see in here, andito po yung default na publish page sa ating Lazada store. So kung titingnan nyo, napaka-bare pa lamang po ito. I did not do anything except dun sa store logo na ginawa natin sa ating tutorials because I want you to see yung step-by-step process na gagawin natin sa ating first 60 days sa ating Lazada store. Okay, so how will we know yung requirement ng pixel size sa ating store banners. So, of course, the same process, we are going to click on dito sa edit. Okay? So, kung nakikita nyo po, wait lang, ibaba ko lang tong ano na to. May current published page po tayo, no? So, default po yan. So, kung bago ka lang nag-sign up sa Lazada, ito po yung makikita mo na default na decoration. So, to check yung sizing ng ating store banners, all you need to do is click on edit. Okay? And then when you click on edit, meron tayo again yung version, kung ano yung decorate mo na banner. Will you be putting a mobile banner version or will you be publishing a PC banner version naman? So gagawin po natin yan lahat dahil magkaiba po yung sizing na requirement ng Lazada when it comes to banners. Okay? So we are going to start with, of course, mobile application or yung interface ng mobile na kung saan kapag si customer pupunta sa Lazada app using the mobile phone, eto po yung makikita niya na decoration mo sa iyong store banner. Okay, tapos kapag PC naman ang gamit ni customer at pinuntahan niya yung store mo, katulad lang nito, i-click ko lamang to so you can see makikita din naman niya yung store banner or any decoration that you do to your store. Okay, so let's go back muna dito sa mobile interface. Okay, and then ano nga ba yung banner? Saan natin makikita yung banner? Okay, so imagine niyo ito yung mobile phone natin, no? This is what it looks like and this is how big it is pagdating sa Lazada app. So yung store banner po, ito po yan mismo, ito. Nakita niyo yan? Andyan si Last Doll. Ayan. So, ito po mismo yung banner niya. Okay? And then kapag PC naman, ang banner niya ay yung dito na area. Ito na part. Okay? So, I'm hoping that you are seeing my screen right now, no? As I hover the mouse, as I move the mouse for you, para maipakita ko lang or maituro ko sa inyo kung ano nga ba yung banner. Saan makikita kapag naka-live na po yung store nyo sa Lazada. Okay? So, let's go back to the mobile interface. So in getting to know the size, of course, i-click nyo lamang po ito. Ito, i-click nyo lamang to, ha? Kapag kinlik nyo yan, okay, nakita nyo sa kaliwa, meron siyang module ID. Ito, module na pinakita sa kaliwa. Right? Balik tayo, ha? Balik tayo. Okay, i-click lang natin dito. Anywhere dito, click nyo lang. And then on the left side, nakita nyo po. Okay? So, dito po natin i-upload yung Lazada banner na gagawin natin later on. Okay? So, para malaman uli kung ilan ang pixels na kailangan, so makikita natin yan dito. Okay? Sabi dito, store header image, pag PC version banner, ang size na requirement is 12 by 128. Tapos, kapag mobile banner naman is 750 by 180. Okay, tapos sabi the background cover may be shielded in different screen sizes. Okay, so may pa ganyang reminder si Lazada. Okay, so we're going to start creating the mobile banner first and then we're going to create the PC banner para later maipagsabay natin ang upload nito. Okay, babalikan natin tong store homepage or yung store header natin dito sa Balay Anita in our tutorial today. Okay? So now that we know the size, so let's go sa ating Canva ulit. So we'll start with mobile banner na kung saan 70 by 180 yung requirement. Okay? So 750 by 180. Ayan. So dahil may specific requirement siya, ulit ang gagawin natin is click on create a design. So pagka-create a design, ulitin natin dito tayo sa custom size. So pagka-custom size, ilalagay po natin yung width at height in pixel form na requirement sa ating store banner decoration. So ano nga ulit ang requirement? That is 750 by 180. Okay, so ilagay natin 750 by 180. Okay, sa mobile yan ha. And then we're going to click create new design. Okay, so when you create the design, so ito na po yung tamang-tamang sukat in pixels na kailangan nating gawin. And then, on the left side, may mga templates po yan, okay, na ibibigay sa inyo. Ayan, for you, may ganyan. And then, scroll down nyo lang. Okay? Ayan. And once again, may mga pa-free naman po na banner dito si Canva. So kapag may free, you can use that, and then kapag naka-subscribe ka naman kay Canva Pro, and then you can also use that one. But since we are going to follow a brand identity sa store name natin, so in our tutorial, kung naalala nyo, gumamit tayo ng a certain type of color, yung color blue, may pagka blue-green, parang teal, ganun, no? So we're gonna follow just that dito sa ating tutorial. Pero pwede din naman tayo gumamit, no, sa sinabi ko kanina. Ito, pwede natin to gamitin. Example, you wanna do this. I-click niya lamang to. Ito, kung free yan. Okay. Ayan. So click nyo lang. Pwede nyo rin naman yan gamitin. Okay, but we would want to be creative sa ating tutorial today, no? Anyway, simple lang naman to in the basic one. So I hope na nakasunod kayo sa ating tutorial. Okay, so delete natin to. We're not gonna follow the pre-templates that we have here. So ang gagawin ko, okay, remember gumamit tayo ng yung color na ano. So what you need to do is if-fill upan ko lamang to itong blank. Ayang blank. Fill upan. So, kiklik ko yan. And then, pupunta ako dito sa background color. And then, pupuntahan ko ulit yung in the blue na ginamit ko na color for Balay Anita. And then, remember, natakal din natin yung hex code na sinabi ko, no? Hex code is usually a string or it's a combination of colors to make up a certain color pagdating sa web design or yung mga ganyang graphic or mga graphic designing, right? And then, kinopya ko na po yung code na yon. So, ang gagawin ko lang, instead of typing blue here, di ba? Tapos puntahan ko yung in the blue na ito, pwede naman yan, I can just type yung hex code na meron siya. So, ang hex code nun is 00A8A8. So, kapag ginawa mo yan, lalabas din yun sa search mo. Okay? So, ayan po. Yan po yung gagamitin na color because we are going to follow a certain color theme nga po dito sa ating Lazada store, yung Balay Anita. Okay? So, ayan na po, no? Napaka-basic lamang po. I usually do, when I create my store banners, napaka-simple lang ako gumawa unless there is a big campaign katulad po ng 11/11, ng 12/12, no, or mid-year sale, yun po yung mga biggest campaign po talaga ng Lazada. So, ayan, nagbabago-bago po itong store banner. But for the basic, like yung first 60 days natin, yung week 1 natin with Lazada, you can definitely just use a simple one. And that is what I'm going to show you today. Okay, so the most simple that we can do is ganito lang, i-select nyo lang kung ano yung color na napili nyo, and then i-apply nyo na po yung typography o yung font. No? Okay, so what will be the font type? Nasa inyo na rin po yan kung ano yung typography or yung font type, font style na gagamitin nyo. Okay, so pag gagawin natin yan, of course, all you need to do is go to text. Okay, and then again, katulad ng tutorial natin last video, select nyo lang which you think is fit sa store mo, depende sa binibenta mo, no? Or you can just simply click text to add to page. Okay, so gagawin natin is add a heading lang. Okay, add a heading, and then kung naalala nyo, gumamit lang tayo ng itong Open Sans Extra Bold. Ito po yung font style na gagamitin natin for Balay Anita. So it's going to be the default one. I just love this one, and I think this perfectly fit sa Balay Anita na niche store. in which ito yung gagamitin natin sa mga susunod pa natin mga tutorials. Okay? So, kung gusto mong palakihin tong text na to, then, i-ano mo lang to, ayan, i-up mo lang yan. Okay? And then, same process guys, kailangan i-arrange nyo to according sa laki din, no, nakita din naman sa store mo. So, since this is mobile, no, you can put, pag in-upload na kasi natin to sa Lazada Seller Center and then mobile interface, there is a possibility na depende sa arrangement mo, kung ano man yung ilalagay mo dito sa banner mo, matatakpan siya. Okay? Puntahan natin yung Lazada Seller Center ha. Okay, katulad nito, titingnan nyo dito, di ba? Ito yung ano natin, yung store header natin, yung mobile banner. So kapag itong nilagay nyo yung ad, halimbawa, usually what I do is, since bago yung ating account, lalagyan mo lang dyan is follow us. Follow us. Ayan. And then, mag-create ka ng another subheading. Okay, then palakihin mo lang yan. Okay. Tapos, lagay nyo lang dyan. For more discounts and updates. Okay? For a newly store, of course, we would want to gain more followers. So that is actually the purpose why I recommend you to input yung itong follow us for more discounts and updates. Because again, when we post our store design, we would want our viewers o yung nagbo-view ng ating store page sa Lazada to really take action. Okay, kaya yung isusulat natin, follow us for more discounts and updates. Pero, depende na rin sa diskarte nyo yan. Because, so far, ito yung ginawa natin na effective naman sa Peachy Queen na store na nilaunch natin 3 months ago. Okay? So, it's up to you kung ipa-follow nyo yan, but I would highly recommend that you do that, especially kung bagong-bago lang yung inyong store. Okay? To tapos, ito, i-rearrange mo to. Okay? I-rearrange mo to, depende sa arrangement doon sa ating store banner. Sinabi ko kanina, 'di ba? Ito oh. Ayan, kasi kapag halimbawa ito, nilagay mo 'yan dito, matatakpan niya ng logo sa actual kasi may logo siya ng Balay Anita. Okay, gets nyo 'yan? Alright, so what I would suggest is you can either ilagay ito sa may gitna. Okay, wait lang ha. Ilagay nyo to sa gitna, ganyan. Okay. Ayan. Okay? So far, yan po yung pinaka perfect, if not perfect, no? Pinakatamang arrangement. Kasi magbibigay kayo ng space dito for your logo, store logo mo, and of course, yung store name dito naman sa itaas. Nagets nyo? Okay. Tingnan natin ha, balikan natin. Ayan o, ganyan siya o. So, para ang pestuhan mo niyan, nasa ibaba siya kay Balay Anita, dito, tsaka hindi mo matatakpan yung store logo mo. Okay? Anyway, kung magkamali naman kayo, okay lang yun. Again, pwede naman, wala namang ano to eh. Since free lang naman tong Canva, you can do your trial and error when it comes to creating your store banner. Okay? So, let's do that. Change ko lang tong yung color no to white. Let's see here. Kung mas appealing ba. Okay, tingnan natin later ha. Okay, titingnan natin kung mas appealing ba siya. And then this one siguro, lalagyan ko siya ng underline. Okay. And then si follow us, lalagyan ko ng exclamation point. Ayan. Para intense. Okay. Ayan. Okay, so Same process, once you are done with your mobile store banner, then i-download nyo lamang po ito. Okay, download lang natin. Okay, so that's the most simple that we can do sa ating store banners. Yung iba naman po, katulad ko, sometimes nilalagyan ko siya ng mga photos. No, nilalagyan ko siya ng photos kung gusto mong i-level up ha. Pero this tutorial, since I'm teaching you the basic, that is already enough. Okay, but kung gusto mong i-level up, pwede mo siyang lagyan. You can go to photos. Ayan. And then, since this is a home store, home furnishing, mga lagay lang natin. Or baka pwede rin home decor. Okay? Ayan. So, yung free, pwede nyo siyang lagyan din dito. Ayan. So, mga ganyan. No. Pwede ganyan. Okay? Tapos, i-change nyo to para kita siya. Change nyo yung color to black. So, anything that you desire. And then, ipwesto nyo lang siya. Ganyan. Okay? Diba? So, nakita nyo yung difference kung paano siya naging mas better looking nung ginawa natin to. Okay? So, again, get some inspiration from other stores, yung mga big brands. Huwag naman nating kopyahin. Inspiration lang on how they do it. Kasi yung mga yan po yung may mga budget na pangbayad sa mga professional graphic designer. So it would be best to get inspiration from them, and then you can create your own based on your own creativity. Okay, dokes? So let's just follow yung pinaka-basic, no? So, didelete ko lang yan and then babalik natin siya ito sa font na white. We'll see how it looks like pag naka-post na siya later. Anyway, na-download naman na natin to. Okay, pinakita ko lang sa inyo, like if you wanna level up, you wanna make it more, mas maganda siya. Ayan. Okay, then let's move on naman to our PC store banner. Okay, yung PC store banner natin, balikan natin dito. Okay. Ayan, nakalagay dito, ang requirement naman niya is 12 by 128. Okay, so pupunta ka na naman uli sa Canva. So 12 by 128, indicate mo na naman siya dito sa Create a Design, 12 by 128. And then create new design. Okay, nakita nyo, di ba, mas mahaba and then mas manipis siya compared sa mobile banner na ginawa natin kanina. Okay, and then meron siya mga templates din ipapakita sa iyo that you can use. Scroll down mo lang yan. Meron yung mga recommended pictures usually. But this one, since iba siya, sobrang liit and wala siyang available sa Canva, kaya ka nagkaka-error dito na sabi, sorry, we couldn't find any templates matching the dimension. Okay, so dito mo na naman i-apply. So since we follow yung in the blue na color, then gagawin natin uli, same process as we did kanina sa ating mobile banner. Deselect mo itong work area mo and then go to color. And then follow mo lang uli yung hex code na ginawa natin kanina. Actually, memorize ko na to siya. Pwede mo rin to i-add. So ayan na po. Okay? And then, same process as what we did kanina sa mobile. You can write or you can put the text yung follow us. Okay. And then, palalakin lang natin yung font. Okay. And then, same process guys ha. I would suggest na lakihan nyo. If you can cover everything, mas okay. Para pagdating nakapost na yan sa website, sa Lazada website, mas maganda siya tingnan. Okay. And then, let's just indicate the follow us ulit. Follow us. And then, we're going to use the same font. Tapos ulit, lalagay natin for more discounts and updates. Ayan. Tapos, pwede mo siyang paliitin. Ayan. Okay, and then gawin natin kulay white ulit yung font. And then kung hindi ka naman satisfied, like you think that the font hindi siya bagay, you can always go back to Canva, no? And change the color or change the font. Okay, dokes? And then what you're going to do is tingnan mo uli yung ano natin sa store decoration natin, sa store builder. Okay? So kapag sa PC, so click mo tong PC para may idea ka. Okay, how it looks like. Okay, sa PC naman, katulad kanina sa mobile store banner na ginawa natin, itong mga text, hindi mo siya pwede ilagay dito naman sa left. Okay, kasi matatakpan siya. Tingnan nyo ha. Tingnan nyo. Ayan o, matatakpan siya nito. Matatakpan siya ng yung may chat now, follow, Balay Anita, and your logo. Okay, so it's either ipwesto mo siya dito sa banda, dito bandang gitna na yan, okay, or igilid mo siya. Okay, para safe ka, sige, for our tutorial, let's just do this. Ilagay natin sa pinakagilid. And let's see kung ano yung mangyayari. Okay, ayan siya. So, ayan siya. Okay, dokes? Ayan. So, as simple as it is, this time, we are going to do the same drill. I-download lang ulit natin. Okay, and then wait for it to be downloaded sa inyong download folder. Right now, we are going to upload na the banners. Okay, so puntahan na natin yung ating store builder and then i-upload na natin yung banner. Okay? Ayan. So, again, i-click lamang to, no? I-click lamang to kapag punta nyo dito. Tapos, dito nyo na i-upload. Nakita nyo tong left? PC versions banner. So, upload mo. Puntahan mo yung download mo. Ayan. Okay. And then, ilagay mo yung PC. PC banner na ginawa mo. Okay? Tapos, nakita mo yan, oh. Ayan siya. Pwede mo siya i-drag. Ayan. And then, i-crop. Crop mo lamang siya. And then, confirm. Alright? And then, dito naman sa mobile banner, same process. Puntahan mo lang kung saan siya nakasave. And then, ayan. Okay? Pwede mo siyang i-crop din. Pero okay na yan kasi pasok na yan sa ano niya eh. Pasok na yan sa image resolution niya na requirement. Tapos crop mo siya. That's the reason naman kina-crop natin is hindi kasi siya magko-confirm kapag hindi mo pinindot yung crop. Okay, then confirm. Alright, now, kung nakita nyo po, yung ating mobile banner, no, nag-automatic siya dito, oh. Ayan. So, yan po yung sinasabi ko na you can always do trial and error naman with this one. Depende na po sa inyo yan. So, kung nakikita nyo, nasa ibaba yung follow us and then for more discounts and updates, natatakpan ng store products and promotion. Okay, kung ganyan naman po mangyari, di balikan mo yung balikan mo yung decoration mo sa Canva. No? Balikan mo siya. You can definitely use or you can definitely, anong tawag nito? Rearrange yung font mo. Okay? Pero since hindi ko na pahahabain to, this is just enough. Tingnan lang natin kung pwede natin siyang i-crop. Pwede natin siyang i-crop. Tingnan natin dito. Okay? So, ayan o. This time naman, sobrang laki naman. Okay? Ayan. So, wag tayong matatakot ha. Wala namang wala namang ano yan, okey lang magkamali. Okey lang naman po siya magkamali. Okey, nakikita niyo, oh. But again, this is just the basic that you can do with your store. Tingnan natin 'to. Okey, ayan. So let's just stick, 'wag na natin siyang i-crop. Let's just stick to whatever we created kanina. But at least may idea na kayo kung paano, okey? Ayan. Now, after uploading the two, yung PC version na banner size and then yung mobile banner size, all you need to do is save. Huwag po nating kalimutang i-save to, ha? Huwag niyo kalimutang i-save to, guys, kasi masasayang din yung ginawa niyo. Upload kayo ng uploads, hindi naka-save. Okay, so save po natin yan. And it says here, save successfully. After saving, then you publish na po ito. Okay? Pero silipin natin yung sa PC. Ayan. Okay, nakita niyo sa PC, 'di ba? Kita niyo cover siya. Follow us for more discounts and updates. Ayan. So yan po yung itsura niya kapag na-live na yan sa iyong Lazada store, sa website nila. Ganyan itsura ng banner ginawa natin kanina. Ito yung PC interface, ito yung mobile interface. Okay, dokes? Now, don't forget to publish. Okay, kasi kapag naka-save yan, naka-draft lang yan. Okay, so make sure that you publish. Makikita mo yung publish dito. Ayan. And then, click lamang natin yan. Okay? Ayan o. So, you can scan also a QR code if you wanna view it sa Lazada app. And then, meron din siya ditong download for PC version. So, i-confirm nyo lamang po yan. Kapag kinonfirm na yan, both na po yan ma-apply sa mobile interface tsaka sa PC interface. Okay? So, since hindi pa po nakikita itong Balay Anita na store sa Lazada website because hindi pa natin na-fully optimize yung store na to, ibig sabihin hindi pa tayo nakakapag-upload ng mga products, yung mga product listing natin, no, hindi pa talaga siya makikita. But matututunan natin yan in the next videos ng ating Lazada Sellers Beginners Guide series. Okay? So that's how it looks like. Nakita nyo po, so kapag pinuntahan ni customer using the mobile app, so yan po yung makikita niya. Okay? Ayan siya. Meron ka ng magandang store banner sa mobile and then kapag sa PC interface naman, ayan din yung itsura niya. Okay, dokes? Okay. Ayan. So stop ko na lang yung share, no? Let's go back to our screen. Okay. So ayan. So I believe this is a shorter video today sa ating series. You can definitely do your own style, your own creativity. It doesn't have to be the way that I taught you dito sa ating tutorial today. I know that some of you can actually do better than this. Okay, so again, get some inspiration from other big brands. If you're wondering how they do it or paano nila ginagawa yung store banners nila, because that is actually a first step for you para makapag-create ka ng mas magandang store banners both in mobile and PC. Okay, so hindi ko na pahabain ang video na ito. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in our next video. This is your Mama Betchay. God bless everyone. Bye!